High blood pressure affects nearly half of all American adults today. Many people wonder if simple foods like bananas can actually help lower their numbers. The answer is yes. Bananas are genuinely good for managing high blood pressure. One medium banana contains about 422 milligrams of potassium. Potassium is a mineral that directly helps your body control blood pressure levels. It works by helping your kidneys flush out excess sodium through urine. Sodium is one of the main contributors to elevated blood pressure readings. When you consume enough potassium, your blood vessels also relax naturally. This relaxation improves blood flow and reduces pressure on your artery walls. Eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can make a measurable difference in your numbers. However, avoid eating more than 3 bananas per day. Excessive potassium intake can strain your kidneys, especially if you already have kidney problems. Combine bananas with other potassium-rich foods like spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocados. Also reduce your salt intake, exercise regularly, and manage stress for best results. Remember that food supports your treatment plan, but never replaces medical advice from your doctor.